And man, our first ever video was just a backyard Snake River Farms brisket. Video is horrible. It truly is, but I posted it. And that was the most important thing to me. I posted that video. If I never posted that video, I'm not sure if I ever would have posted a video because I am a perfectionist, which I also think works well with barbecue, right? With especially competition barbecue. I am a perfectionist and the video wasn't good to me,
Mhm.
but I don't know what gave me the courage to just post it and see what happens.